I've been using Venmo and Splitwise for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased comparison between the two. So let's dive in and find out which one is the right fit for you. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to send and receive money instantly. It's widely used for splitting bills, paying friends, and making purchases at participating merchants. Venmo offers a social aspect, enabling users to share payment activities and add notes or emojis to transactions. It also provides a debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Additionally, Venmo has introduced a feature called Venmo Groups, which allows users to track and split ongoing group expenses, making it easier to figure out who owes whom what. Splitwise, on the other hand, is an expense-splitting application that helps users track shared expenses and calculate what each person owes. It's particularly useful for roommates, travel groups, or any situation where multiple people are sharing costs. Splitwise allows users to create groups, add expenses, and the app automatically calculates each person's share. It integrates with payment platforms like Venmo, enabling users to settle up their balances directly through the app. Overall, Venmo is best suited for users looking for a simple, social way to send and receive money, while Splitwise is ideal for those seeking a comprehensive tool to manage and split shared expenses. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.